friends, myself Amit Popat. I am Chartered Accountant and working as a faculty with Navkar Institute since last 5 years. I have been dealing with the subject of costing and financial management, inter and final level. My association, as I said, with Navkar is around 5 years, and to be very honest, these 5 years have been really glorified by the way, the culture that Navkar works with. As you might be aware, it is one of the finest coaching institute that we have for CA, CS and other professional courses across the nation. It has got fantastic infrastructure, mind-blowing results. Now sometimes someone wonders, how can an institute produce so much results, so many rankers, so many students passing out, number of students becoming CR so large? If you go into the mechanics of why so much good result is being produced, then one fundamental thing that we come across is the discipline. Every one of us is aware nothing in this life can ever be achieved without having a discipline in life. Forget about coaching, any aspect of life. If you want to achieve something, if you want to get success in any walk of this life, the first thing that you got to bring about is discipline. And Navkar, right from inception, has been very strict about maintaining discipline throughout the students and faculties and admin staff as well. Our students, if you see them coming through the buildings, wearing eye cards, they are all in one way, they are well behaved, and this is what the culture that Navkar brings to us. The discipline levels are far different from what we can see maybe anywhere in India. I myself have studied in Mumbai. I have been to Mumbai for around 5 to 7 years, but the culture, the students and the behavior of students that I have seen at Navkar is completely different than what you can see at other places, right? So to me, if you ask me very frankly, why does Navkar produce so much good result, then to me, of course, teaching is there, students are working dedicatedly, everything is happening, but to me, none of these things will produce result if the discipline is not maintained. Somewhere in the absence of discipline, everything will turn into a futile exercise. So Navkar has been focusing on discipline, and it will continue to be that for the future years to come, and we all wish you come and be a part of the most disciplined institute that we have and glow the path of your success. So this is we are, Navkar Institute. We believe in the best.